Okay, so here we are unboxing our Cortica Kickstarter coffee mug. And there we have it. It's got the cork outside, it's got the white lid, the plastic inset that has some rubberized flange on it, and this nice little card and some instructions. And it looks like the cork comes off pretty nicely, actually. It definitely fits in there very, very snugly, so that's nice. It looks good, and I suspect that a V60 will sit on top of it. Here we have a V60, and it fits on there pretty nicely. So, not the most stable thing, but not bad. So there you have it, Cortica coffee mug. Looking forward to this.